In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change OneNote Quick Note location. By the end, your quick notes will land exactly where you want them, not hidden in some default section. First, open OneNote on your Windows PC. If you have more than one version installed, make sure you open OneNote for Windows, the desktop app, not the web page. When it opens, you should see your usual notebooks and pages, which tells you are in the right place to start. Once OneNote is open, click File. You will find File in the top left corner of the window, on the same row as Home and Insert. After you click it, the view switches to the Backstage area, where the left side shows options like Info, New, Open, and Options. Now click Options. This is near the bottom of that left side list. When you click Options, a OneNote Options window opens in the center of your screen. It has a menu on the left and detailed settings on the right, similar to the layout in other Microsoft Office apps. From here, select Save and Backup. Click Save and Backup on the left side of the Options window. The right side now shows several sections, including Settings for Saving, Backup, and at the bottom, the Quick Notes section Control. This is where the actual Quick Note location lives. Next, look for Quick Notes section. In the Save and Backup settings, scroll if needed until you see a heading that mentions Quick Notes section. On the right of that row, you will see the current notebook and section name where your quick notes are going right now. Many people never notice this area, so do not worry if this is the first time you have seen it. Once you have found it, click Modify. The Modify button is on the same line as Quick Notes section. After you click Modify, a Select Section window appears, showing your notebooks on the left and their sections on the right. This window lets you point OneNote to a different place without moving any existing notes. Now select the notebook and section where you want your quick notes to be saved. First, click the notebook in the list on the left, then click the exact section on the right. A good practice is to choose a section you already use for quick ideas, so they do not clutter your main project sections. After choosing the section, click OK. The Select Section window closes, and in the Save and Backup settings, you should now see your new notebook and section listed next to Quick Notes section. That confirms OneNote has accepted your new target location. Then click OK again to save the change. This closes the OneNote Options window. The main OneNote window comes back into focus, and the change is now active. OneNote applies this immediately, so there is no extra save button anywhere else. Finally, create a new quick note to test the new location. Use your usual quick note shortcut or method, then check the section you selected a moment ago. You should see the new quick note appear there, proving that your future quick notes will now be saved to the section you selected. If this helped you keep your quick ideas organized, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe so you do not miss future OneNote tips.